People often ask, what will schools look like in the future? And honestly, I personally don't think schools will look completely different. I actually think they'll still be built right around people. Students will still need great teachers. Students will still need great leaders, and relationships will matter. However, I do think one thing will change. Artificial intelligence will become a part of everyday school operations. Not because schools are trying to become technology companies, right? But because AI will help people work more efficiently. Teachers will spend less time on routine tasks, and administrators will have better access to information. Students will have more personalized support. And hopefully, I'm going to say that again, and hopefully, people will have more time to focus on what matters most: other people. The future of education won't be less human. It will require us to actually be even more human. I'm Dr. Kristofer Stubbs, and I help schools and educational leaders prepare for the future of learning and work.